Hello and welcome to Learn Love Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to use CapCut as a beginner's guide. If you don't have an account yet, it's very easy to create. Download the CapCut app. The free version is amazing. There are tons of features that come with the free version. I will be using PC CapCut for this tutorials, and I do have the Pro version. First, click on Create Project. This is what it looks like, the interface. On the top, you have the main tab. Import, auto, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filter, adjustments, templates, and AI characters. Next to it is the player panel. This is the timeline. And over to the right is the setting features or properties. Let's import a beach vibe videos. Once you upload your video, it will be placed here under the import section. And once you click on it, it will be placed in the player panel and on the timeline. You can drag the video into the timeline, or you can click on the blue plus sign. On the timeline, you have the player head, the undo button, the split button, the delete button. Here, you have the length of your video. And over here, you can zoom in and out. These are the basics since we are doing a beginner's tutorials. Okay, let's start by trimming the video. You can drag the video clip and make it shorter. Or you can place the player head where you want to cut and split that part out and delete it. If you want to move the last clip to the front, then you click on it and then drag it to the front, and vice versa. Next, let's do transition. Click on transition and there are so many to choose from. The transition that has the word Pro means you have to pay for it. But the free version has so many options for you to choose from. This transition is nice and click on the blue plus sign. If you want to use the same transition for all of your video, then on the right side you can click on Apply to All. Next, click on Text to add some text to your video. Once you click on text, you will see the default box appear here. Click on the blue plus sign. The default text box will appear on your video and on the right side on the Properties section. Let's type in Good Morning. You can zoom in and out and move the text box to the position that you like. I am going to leave it here. In the timeline panel, you can drag the text all the way to the end of the video or to where you want it to end. It's up to you. On the right side, in the Properties panel, you can change the font size. You can change the color of the text. Click on the color wheel and the down arrow to see the different colors. Play around to see what you like. You can choose the different text templates. If you decide not to use the text template, you can just click on this circle to remove the text template. You can also choose the animation for the text. If you decide to edit the text, just click on the text box to make any changes. Let's add some music. Click on Audio. You can search any music you like. Click Play. You can click on the star to bookmark it for future use. If you like the music, click on the blue plus sign to add in the timeline. You can trim the music. You can check out the sound effects here. You can search up sound effects in the search bar. Let's search for wave sound. This sound is nice. Click on the blue plus sign to add to the timeline. If the sound effect is too long, you can trim it. Next, let's click on stickers. There are so many options. Scroll down to see. Click on the blue plus sign to add to your video. You can zoom in and out and place it wherever you like. And you can trim it too. Next, you can add caption to your video if you are talking in the video. For this particular tutorial video, there's no caption. Next, let's give this video a name so that it's easy for you to find it in your file. This will wrap up our beginner's guide on CapCut. To save it, click Export. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials because this channel is created for you. And I will see you on my next video.